It's another day of Islands of Adventure. I mean, the other day I said we would head over there, but we ended up not because it's too busy. But the thing out, and it's hopefully not too busy, despite the fact it's really hot today. We're in like I think the mid to high 80s today, so good. Again, we'll be showing you those secrets, little bits of information that you need to have an awesome time at Islands of Adventure, as well as Harry Potter, and I'm sure some awesome roller coasters as well. So let's go. Okay, so we are now in, we're all in, and it is a lot less busy today. And let's have a look at my badge quickly, Laura. That's the first thing we did, guest services. We are celebrating our first wedding anniversary today. Badge. Not really sure what you can get, I'm just pretty sure it's just a thing so everybody knows, in case anybody was wondering if it's when it was, it's today. So just so that they can know. And wish us. What?
Actually tomorrow.
We're not going to be here tomorrow, and also I wasn't going to say that, Laura.
But it is tomorrow.
Well, they didn't have we're celebrating our first wedding anniversary tomorrow badge, so we had to go for the next best thing. Anyway, so let's go to Marble Land and ride. I want to ride the Hulk coaster first. Yeah, and then we'll get their drinks cup activated. Again for ya. Ices. We got the monkey and the lion. I think the lion's called Alex. From Madagascar. No idea what the monkey's called.
It's the king, isn't it? Lima.
Oh, the lemur, of course. No idea what's his name. Comment below what's his name. Completely forgot. I can't be asked to look it up. Yeah.
And there's Hulk.
Hulky.
More victims on Hulk.
Let's go. 10 minutes for Hulk, so might as well just get a locker right now and pretty much go straight on. Yay. Yeah, so we just met Spider-Man, who's hilarious. He's one of those ones that's like, I wouldn't have thought he actually would have spoken to you, because he normally wears like a mask when they were wearing a mask and talk, but he said he actually spoke to us, and it's so good. He's like talking about our anniversary and that. I suppose there's another good thing about the badges. It's always a good way of introducing to the characters and actually having a lot to talk about.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah. So shall we go ride the Spider-Man ride now?
Yeah.
Now that we've met him.
Hulk.
There's Hulk.
There goes Hulk.
That's another thing, another new thing they've got, like when you watch it, like I'm not sure how well it's going to come out on camera, but like when you see them blasting out of the thingy, like it plays like a noise, the Hulk just roaring, like that, and it scared a kid and it made me laugh.
We're just going to fill our drinks up. It's quite cool here, like you can see everything. It's like Hogwarts, Hogsmeade, there's a bit of Toontown, and over there's Hulk. There's a big tree in the way, but you can also see the Lost Island thing. It's pretty cool. Where's the Lost Island? And the Cat in the Hat land. It's the Buccaneers land.
The Cat in the Hat.
It's a nice place to come though if you want to sit outside and look.
Especially
in America.
Yeah. Especially like a day where it's not that busy.
Yeah, it's nice and chilled there actually.
It's the Sunday after Thanksgiving. Okay, so we just rode Spider-Man, and here are some of the merchandise. What I'm quite upset by is like there was like a Stan Lee tribute right at the beginning of the ride, but they seem to have got rid of it. Probably because all the flowers died, so yeah. But anyway, they should have some kind of permanent memorial to him here. Whether they will in the future, I don't know that. Anyway. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. It's not his second name. Spider-Man hoodie. It's really thin, so it'd be like a winter hoodie. Oh, winter, like a summer hoodie, not winter, of course. Yeah. I have a lot of Spider-Man merch already, so. always feel like we, you know, you don't really get a proper look at the, it always just kind of gets glanced over the
match.
Yeah, yeah. Rest of Woo! This is Ripsaw Falls. We're just checking whether it's on, and we can all guess now that it is definitely on. And very wet. This is in Toontown, by the way. Popeye's ride, the most wet ride ever, is off for maintenance, so that's why we're looking for another water ride on this ever so hot day. Shall we ride, Laura? Shall we ride Rip Your Pants Falls? What is?
Turn around. You didn't get very wet. Yeah.
I've had enough, let's go.
Come on then, come forward.
No, just no.
No, because if we come over there and it's getting wet.
What?
Don't talk about it.
No. Not really much to say. Wet. We'll do the wall rides on the another day. Oh.
You got wet.
And they're wet and squelchy and damp.
No, don't put it on my leg. Ew. 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 No. Express to be, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, now I'm just sad on the other side.
So creepy.
Weird stuff happens here.
Not just Mark stuff. That face. So cheesy.
How could you hate that? How could you hate that face? Eventually, that face starts talking.
It's a giant hat.
The little things.
You like going into the cat's head? Or just into his hat? I think this landing is amazing, really. Christmas stuff that they have, isn't it?
Yeah. It's definitely the most Christmassy bit. I mean, Marvel wasn't really Christmassy at all.
No, it wasn't at all. It's cat and thing 1 and thing 2 over there.
But here we go, here's a quick construction update.
Look, that's like really, really tall.
That's the construction update of the Forbidden Forest. Like it's like a new part of they're adding to islands. Eventually! You know, kind of like because they got rid of jewelry dragons. Damn it. So I love that ride. There's pretty much 2 coasters they got rid of and they haven't replaced them with anything yet. Damn it. Yet. It better be worth it. It better be worth the 2 coasters. Okay, I'll call it 1.5. I might be giving it too much credit, saying it's 2 roller coasters because it's very similar. But still,
exactly the same.
They were slightly different, Laura. Ever so slightly. So we're just at the station at the moment, and then we'll be going to London. Pretty much where we come from. Yeah, kind of. Close enough. In case you're wondering, yes, people are still saying like happy 1st anniversary as well. Station, so yeah. So basically, if you didn't know, you can only do that with the 2-park popper or the 3-park, but basically from the UK you'll get that anyway. Just don't buy 1 park ticket, eh? That's a dumb idea. But yeah, on the train thing they actually do have King's Cross Station if you hit the button.